In this video, we'll be talking about checkout. Now, checkout is very important, right? Because it's the point where people check out, right? So it means this is the point where you want everybody to get to. When somebody sees your product, you are begging and pleading and praying to God, oh God, please let them get to the checkout point. Because if somebody gets to the checkout point, the tendency that they want to buy is like 80% or 90% high. This person wants to buy. But the problem is if your checkout process is not seamless or very clear, you might lose the customer. Let's come in and just see how it works. Now, your customer account domain, which includes the other status page, is using the Shopify, blah, blah, blah. Don't worry about this. So you come down here, customer contact method, right? So what do you want as at checkout? What do you want? Now, I usually don't like putting too many things in there, all right? Usually, phone number or email is okay. This is also very fine. Share a link of your customers to track their order with your with shop. That's also very fine. Leave it like that. Now, this is where I'm coming to the information. Now, sometimes you could do only require last name or require first name and last name, right? I usually prefer last name. Okay, don't necessarily. I don't need your full name, first and last name. I don't need for any information. And people are usually a bit skeptical. So my advice is leave it like this. Your company name don't include is recommended, optional, required. So you could, the person's company name, not yours. So don't include it. They don't need, it might not be a company that's buying from you. Address, optional. Address two, optional. Also, leave it in my opinion. Shipping address, phone number, don't include. All right. Or you can put optional if you want to. I like it in optional. Display checkout for customers to sign up email and so for them to sign up email for SMS marketing. Well, you can choose any of this. Regions recommended by Shopify. You could use this for United States only, but you could edit and choose the regions you want. So you click on edit. I'm going to show you different regions. Just pick the one you want and you're good to go. When you're done, just put, so let's say, for example, I want to pick the Bahamas and just click done, for example, and just do this. Okay. Put on SMS. To launch SMS campaign, you need to install SMS app. Some of the SMS app are not cheap, some are cheap, but let me just show you how it looks like. Again, guys, I want you to have a Bible, a Shopify Bible that gives you everything you need to know. So you can come on here and just look for any of these apps to install. Let's go back and see. I usually don't do this, so SMS app, but let's do this for let's do this for the sake of the tutorial. So these are several SMS apps that I have on here. So just pick any one. So many of them are free to install, free trial available. Usually prefer the free to install. So you can use this Blaze marketing. Click on it and then install it. But I'm not going to do that. I don't want to do it too long. Let's come on here. Tipping. Customers can choose between 3 presets or enter a custom amount. So you could show tipping options here. So click on this for them to tip. They can tip however they want to. High tipping option until customers choose to add a tip. This is what I usually pick. Don't cajole people to, tip. It's up to them. And I usually prefer leaving it like this, right? The next thing is we go to checkout language. Edit checkout language, usually will be English because where I'm targeting usually English speaking regions, right? So we then come down here to the advanced preferences. Add to cart limits recommended, leave this on. Manage how you collect shipping bills and address. You can check all of this. Now, this usually does not really matter. Again, I want you to just start almost immediately. So I'm not going to cover everything like I said. But this is what you get for checkout, really. You see all of this, and then, when you're done with everything, you save. Because if your checkout process is tedious, a lot of things happening there, you're asking for too many information, you're asking for first name, last name, you're asking for their birth certificate, you're asking for their marriage certificate, and you're going all that in, you will discourage people, and many of them will abandon carts. That's why I tell many of my students, a lot of you have abandoned carts because you don't see, your process, apart from the website feel, apart from the pictures, apart from the SEO, if the experience that your customers will have towards the tail end of their purchase is not smooth, they would abandon you. Like they're going to dump you. All right. So if you want them to dump you, do the needful. Make sure your checkout process is very seamless. Right. So if you also want to learn more about payment system and how to set up a payment system using Shopify, I recommend you watch this next video. It's going to help you. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. It's going to encourage me to do more. Smash on the like button and share this video with anybody you think this might help. You can put it in your WhatsApp status, put it in your Facebook group for people who are looking to understand Shopify, but it's a very hard thing for them to do. I am breaking it down. Don't let any guru charge you thousands of dollars to help you. To teach you how to do this. I'm doing this for you free of charge so that you can always have money. Because if you have a business that brings in money every single day, the difference is that you will have money to go about your activities, you have money to do more for yourself and for your family. That's exactly what we're doing here because we don't want you to be broke. We're giving you opportunities, showing you things you could, or ways you can use in making money online. I hope this was helpful. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button